Law Now is our legislation module, which contains many features that authorized legislation websites do not have. Finding definitions is easy using Law Now, which covers legislation in force since 2000. To browse Law Now legislation, use the links in the Publications pod to find your jurisdiction. Click on the Browse Legislation link for the jurisdiction homepage. There are two ways to browse for terms defined in legislation. The first one is by using the Defined Terms links in the Acts and Subordinate Legislation boxes. This is great when you do not know which legislation the definition is in. Let's look to see if any acts define the term recipient. The Defined Terms lists work like a dictionary, so click on R, then RE. Scroll down or use Ctrl and F and type in recipient. In this example, we can see that it is defined in numerous acts. Click on the link to go to the exact point where recipient is defined. If you know the legislation you want, find its homepage and click on the Defined Terms link. This page is a single list of all definitions in a piece of legislation, so you do not need to review the entire act.